How to check GPS satellite signal strength on MGMS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the navigation button. Is located right here at the bottom of the screen. From the following view, let me choose the menu button located at the right down corner, and here let's select the settings. Now scroll down and choose here GPS information, as you can see right here. So this diagnostic dashboard displays a live look at your car's built-in GPS antenna tracking. The green bars shows the signal power of the individual overhead tracking sensors, showing available. We've got here available 12 satellites, 12 or 13. This is a helpful screen to check if your map is acting lost or struggling to find your exact location. So it's nice information that you can check out this on your car. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.